90% of service businesses never scale. So if you're between 300,000 and $1 million a year, this is probably why. I'm Michael Wendt. I'm one of the co-founders at Service Catalyst. I started my own business at 28. By 30, it completely replaced my income, and by 31, it ran completely on its own. Most local service businesses, whether it's roofing or HVAC or dog doors, they sell the thing. What you're ultimately selling is an offer. Instead of saying, I sell dog doors, what I sell is freedom for your dog and safety, security, and energy efficiency for the homeowner. If your offer doesn't increase the perceived value, then you're constantly going to be competing on price, and that's just a race to the bottom. The second reason most service businesses can't scale, there's no predictable way to take the people that need your service and get them into your pipeline and deliver that service to them. Scaling requires predictable acquisition. If you're going to go to a bank, if you're going to try and sell your business, people are going to want to see those hard numbers. You should know your cost per lead, your closing rate, your average ticket size, your customer acquisition channels, and the lifetime value of each customer. Some benchmarks to know whether your business is scalable right now: do you have paid traffic? Do you have follow-up systems? Do you have referral incentives? And do you have retargeting campaigns? The third reason that your business can't scale is because you are the bottleneck. A lot of business owners that enter our community are still in the technician mindset. If every question in your business ends with "go ask the boss," then you're the problem. Scaling your business requires standard procedures, clear KPIs, defined roles, and delegated authority. At the end of the day, you have to fire yourself from execution, and most owners will never do that. If I were scaling a service business today, I would have a clear, irresistible offer. I would have a predictable lead acquisition system, and I would have 5 KPIs that I tracked every single week. After that, it's just about documenting your processes and removing yourself from the day to day. That's it. It's not magic, it's math, it's systems, and it's leadership. Local businesses don't stay small because the market is bad. They stay small because the owner never becomes the CEO. If you want to scale your business with other like-minded entrepreneurs that are either doing it themselves or have done it in the past, check out the Service Catalyst community. The link is in the description.